Okay, so let's talk about multiplication and division in standard form. So for multiplication, we're going to start off with multiplication. Here's what we will have. If I have a times 10 to the power n times b times 10 to the power m, all I need to do is simply rearrange so that a multiplies b now. A times b, then the 10s multiply each other. 10 to the power n times 10 to the power m. And then I'll end up with the product of a times b, then times 10 to the powers add by laws of indices, right? To n plus m, right? So you simply make the numbers multiply each other and the 10s multiply each other, and the 10s will add powers by laws of indices. So now let's demonstrate what that would look like in an example, right? If I have 2 times 10 to the power 5 times 3 times 10 to the power 4, this gives me 2 times 3 times 10 to the power 5 times 10 to the power 4. 2 and 3 are multiplying each other to give you a 6, then times 10 to the power 5 plus 4, which gives you 6 times 10 to the power 9. So that's done. As easy as that. Just add the powers of the 10s. Don't ever multiply 6 and 10 to get a 60. That is really incorrect. For division now, we have a times 10 to the power n divided by a to the times 10 to the power m. You simply b. Let's make that a b. You separate so that a divides over b, and then 10 to the power n divides over 10 to the power m. So this is a over b times 10 to the power n divided by 10 to the power m, which gives you a over b times 10 to the power. The powers now subtract now by laws of indices, right? Laws of indices says that if you divide here two similar numbers with powers, the powers must subtract. So now let's show that by an example. 8 times 10 to the power 7 over 4 times 10 to the power 3. That gives you 8 over 4 times 10 to the power 7 over 10 to the power 3, which gives you 8 divided by 4, 2 times 10 to the power 7 minus 3, which gives you 2 times 10 to the power 4. So that's it. It should be fairly simple to understand. You can try the questions on that.